Hello. Welcome to CROWD1. Now that you have started your CROWD1 business, these are the very important basic things that we need to accomplish. First, set up your KYC. What is KYC? KYC, or Know Your Customer, is the process businesses execute to verify the identity of their clients either before or during the commencement of business. It will require you to upload your selfie and your valid ID. Log in your account using your username and password to www.crowd1.com. Click your username at the upper right corner and the menu will show up. Click Upload KYC. Click Upload Selfie Photo, then choose the photo from your file. Click Submit Selfie button. Same process that you need to do with the ID. Then wait if the KYC has been successfully uploaded. Otherwise, read the rejection message and comply with the requirement. Repeat the process.